When we're doing a ridge vent, we can either bring our panel up, cut it straight off to our opening in our attic. You can also put a water stop, so we can go ahead and cut our panel and put a fold on this for a water stop as well if you choose to do that way. So next we're going to go ahead, before we bring our ridge vent down, we're going to go ahead and throw that caulking, or you can use a butyl tape, just like so. And then we'll go ahead and bring that venting, keeping it the same pitch as my roof. And we can go ahead and fasten that per manufacturer's recommendations. And next we're going to go ahead and be ready for our cap. We're going to go ahead and make sure that covers our ridge vent. And then we can go ahead and fasten that as normal. We're going to want to use our 2.5 inch panel screw and make sure we get down into the decking. And we can continue our caps, making sure they're fully engaged, and continue fastening with those 2.5 inch panel screws.